If Telegram is asking you to pay for the SMS code, don't panic. Today, I'll show you exactly how I logged into my Telegram without paying any SMS fee. And one small step almost made me fail. Recently, Telegram stopped sending the SMS codes for some accounts. They now say the code is sent to the official app or email, or even any other Telegram related app. First, I used an official Telegram client, entered my phone number and tapped didn't get the code. Now Telegram clearly says we no longer send SMS. The code will be sent to the official app. So at this point, it seems that SMS is dead. Now my next step, I used the Telegram official app. I had to install the official app and tried logging in. The good news, the code is sent to my email, but then I copy the code and paste it back to the unofficial app, and boom, it is invalid code. Now let's move to the method that actually worked. So the last option is checking other logged in Telegram devices. Telegram generated a code inside my already logged in device. I entered the code and perfectly worked. And please know that this method will work for those people that are using the unofficial versions of Telegram. Since if you use the official Telegram, it will bring the prompt of the SMS fee. Yes, you'll succeed getting the code via email, but when you insert the code, you'll be prompted to pay for the SMS fee. That means you've not successfully logged in. Now this is an important note to take. If you log in all your Telegram devices and you remain with no active device, that means that the next time you plan to log in, for instance using the official app, you will be prompted to pay for the SMS fee. But in case you have these other unofficial apps maybe still logged into your Telegram, then you will be good to go. And the other thing is, if you have the Telegram for desktop, still you can still get the code. So just make sure that you always logged in into your Telegram. If you're not logged in, then you'll pay for the SMS fee. And by the way, the unofficial app that I used this time around is Nicegram. And yes, it is available directly on the Google Play Store. Nicegram works just like Telegram, but it sometimes gives clearer login options. But remember, the working solution wasn't the app, but was the other devices that you've logged in. In case I didn't log in the other devices, there is no way I'll get the code. Though there are some other complicated ways of getting the code, and according to the reports, some people weren't able to get the code using that particular method. You can check out the videos that I did on this channel. You will find out that there are some people that the other options worked for, and others they didn't work for them. So it's just cutting across. Now let me just be clear. You can't use the official app if you want to use your Telegram freely. You need to install the unofficial apps of Telegram. The official app will always request you for the SMS fee, but now these other Telegram clients or the unofficial Telegram apps, they'll grant you access into Telegram in case you have another device already logged in, for instance your desktop or any other Telegram device. Drop your comments about Nicegram and let me know what you think about this method. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.